Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Munnu's Maths in English textbook.
मुन्नूज मैथ्स। लुक, लिसन केयरफुली एंड एक्ट, अर्थात देखो, ध्यान से सुनो और कृति करो। सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रीड अलाउड अ पैराग्राफ फ्रॉम योर बुक। तो मैं क्या करूँगा, आपके बुक में पेज नंबर 22 पे जो पैराग्राफ दिए हैं ए, बी और सी, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू रीड अलाउड। सो मैं वो रीड करूँगा। लुक एट इट केयरफुली। What you have to do is you have to look at it carefully. It has some pictures and numbers. So you can see in that paragraph there are some pictures and numbers there. So I will read the words and stop at the pictures and numbers. So what I will do, I will read the words only and I will stop at pictures and numbers. You have to say the words for them at right time. This is how we will read together. Ready? So now we will start. First of all, we are going to learn that pictures and numbers. Now look at this picture. Can you name this? ये क्या है? Yes, it's a potato. So if it is one, then it is potato. Now what is this? These are potatoes. They are more in number, so they are called potatoes. अगर एक है तो पोटैटो, मोर देन वन है तो पोटैटोज, यानी प्लूरल। देन व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज, यस, दिस इज, हम लोग हिंदी में इसको अदरक कहते हैं। वी कॉल इन इंग्लिश जिंजर। नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर्स। दिस इज टोमेटो। इफ इट इज वन, देन इट इज टोमेटो। व्हाट इफ इट इज मोर देन वन? यस, इट्स tomatoes. Then this is chili. Chili. If it is single, then it's chili. What if they are more? These are chilies. So now we are going to learn this passage. I am going to read and you have to name these pictures and numbers. Munnu's mother told her to go to the market. I need half a kilo each of potatoes and tomatoes, 3 lemons, a piece of ginger and some chilies. Take this bag and this 100 rupee note. Be careful and come back before 5. Munnu brought the potatoes, the tomatoes, 4 lemons and some chilies. I did not get any ginger. मुन्नू said. Never mind, said her mother. So अभी मैंने क्या किया कि ये जो पिक्चर्स थे, उन पिक्चर्स की जगह पे मैंने वो वर्ड्स यूज किए जो हमको यहाँ पर दिख रहे हैं। सो नाउ यू हैव टू राइट ऑल दिस लाइक दिस इन योर नोटबुक। सी, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है, जहाँ पे वो पिक्चर्स थे उसकी जगह पे मैंने वर्ड्स का और नंबर्स का इस्तेमाल किया। Munnu's mother told her to go to the market. I need half a kilo each of potatoes and tomatoes, 3 lemons, a piece of ginger and some chilies. Take this bag and this 100 rupee note. Be careful and come back before 5. Munnu brought the potatoes, the tomatoes, 4 lemons and some chilies. I did not get any ginger. Munnu said. Never mind, said mother. So like this you have to write it into your notebook. Now we will see the next one. What is this? What is written on this? This is biscuit. So if it is single, then it's biscuit. What if it's many? So it's called biscuits. Biscuits. Very good. Then what is this? This is a packet of biscuit. So it's a packet. What is this? It's a packet. Then what is this? This is cat. And what is this? This is a puppy. It's a dog. Then what is this? This is a scissor, but it's the sign of this scissor in your paragraph is to cut. So cat, dog, and cut. Then we are going to read the same. Munnu's uncle gave her a packet of, what is this? Biscuits. Very good. Munnu cut the packet open. There were 12 biscuits in the packet. Munnu gave two of them to her uncle, one to her mother, and one to her father. She ate, these are two biscuits, so two biscuits herself. Then she gave her cat and her dog one biscuit each. Then how many biscuits were left? So we will find out the answer first. So first of all, we are going to write this like this, as we done earlier. जैसे हमने पहले किया था वैसे हमको यहाँ भी करना है. Munnu's uncle gave her a packet of biscuits. Munnu cut the packet open. There were 12 biscuits in the packet. Munnu gave two of them to her uncle, one to her mother and one to her father. She ate two biscuits herself. Then she gave her cat and a dog one biscuit each. Then how many biscuits were left? So we got the answer 4 biscuits. But how we got the answer 4 biscuits? So we will see here. See, what is the total number of biscuits in the packet? So there are 12 biscuits in the packet. Then biscuits gave to uncle, biscuits gave to mother, biscuits to father, and how many Munnu ate? Biscuits to cat and biscuits to dog. So like this we have to write. So then we will get the biscuits left. So biscuits in packets were 12. Biscuits given to uncle were 2. So we will subtract 12, 2 from the 12, then 1, then 1, then Munnu ate 2, then biscuits to cat 1, biscuit to dog 1. So we will get the answer 4. So like this we have to find out whether she is right or wrong. Now same thing. This is a flower. This is a flower. What if they are many? These are flowers. Then we will going to read the same. Munnu saw some strings of flowers, like we learned in last paragraph, last lesson, that strings of flower. So in the market, she brought 10 strings and counted flowers in each. There were 40 flowers in 7 strings. 40 flowers in 7 strings. Remember this. 44 flowers in 2 strings and 36 is last string. There are 400 flowers in all. She said. So उसको 7 strings में 40 flowers मिले, 2 strings में 44 मिले, और जो लास्ट बचा था उसमें 36 मिले. तो उसने बोला there are 400 flowers in all. उसने काउंट किया और बोला कि 400 flowers है. So she said, is she right? अभी हमको देखना है, is she right? So we will see. First of all, we will write this same in your notebook. Munnu saw some strings of flowers in the market. She brought 10 strings and counted the flowers in each. There were 40 flowers in 7 strings, 44 flowers in 2 strings, and 36 in the last string. There are 400 flowers in all, which she said. Is she right? So let's find out. See, flowers in 7 strings, then flowers in 2 strings, and flowers in last string. These are the only 3 columns. Then total flowers we will get. So see, 7 strings got 40 flowers, so 7 into 40. Then flowers in 2 strings, so 44 flowers in 2 strings, so 2 into 44, and the last one got 36. So we will multiply these numbers. So we will get 7 4 za 280, 28. 7 4 जा 28, 28 और 0 जैसे हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन में देखा था. So we will get 280. 44 multiplied by 2 we will get 88. Then 1 into 36 will be equal to 36. So what if we will add these all? We will get 404. But what do we see? She said only 400. So is she right? No. So she is not right. Then we will see some singulars and plural in this पैराग्राफ्स। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सिर्फ एक नंबर पे है सिंगुलर। सिंगुलर है तो पोटैटो मतलब एक वचन, एक से ज़्यादा है तो पोटैटोज, एक है तो टोमेटो, एक से ज़्यादा है तो टोमेटोज, एक है तो चिली, एक से ज़्यादा है तो चिलीज, एक है तो बिस्किट, एक से ज़्यादा है तो बिस्किट्स। सो यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि जिसके अंत में ओ आता है, ओ या आई आता है, जिसके अंत में ओ या आई आता है वहाँ पे क्या होता है, ईएस लगता है, और जिसके यहाँ पे वॉवेल्स को छोड़ के बाकी सब आता है वहाँ पे केवल यस लगता है। यहाँ ओ और आई ये क्या है, वॉवेल्स है, तो जहाँ वॉवेल्स आता है वहाँ ईएस लगता है, और जहाँ वॉवेल्स नहीं है वहाँ पे यस लगता है। सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू राइट all this in your notebook. Thank you.